Are you ready? All right. Before everything, I have to check attendance. Okay. Hoàng志光 看到没录 ？No， 谢梦璇、李宏文、谢夏明、谢夏 No， 洪信慈、黄文杰 No， 黄子晴 OK， 黄宇良 OK， Andrew No， Nicholas No， Jamari OK， Atakan No， 徐一斌 OK， 财生。戴凯宏 ，OK， 恒冠玉 ，OK， 李世喜 ，OK， 宋秀，金城俊 ，OK，Casey 啊 ，OK， 黄诗玲 ，Adanik No， 丁伟正 ，No， 潘伟纯 ，No， 魏娜丽 ，No， 魏娜丽 ，No，All right。Okay, I'm gonna switch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, switch. Okay. And let me switch a monitor, and I have installed both Sketch Unity on this laptop and still the existing technique we have learned so far. First, last week I have told you how we create terrain. First, if you have to import everything here, so import the package, okay, environment in particle systems and characters, okay, and cameras, and key here. So I create a new terrain. Sorry, you have to terrain here. This hierarchy means your existing project files here, and this is your assay. Means your private material source. Okay, material source here. If you mark everything here, and it will be updated to your project. Okay, but then would be individually, okay, individually existing according to his own attribute. Okay, so I create a terrain here, still terrain. Okay, terrain. Okay, so there's my terrain. Here you are, and see the camera. And there's several hotkeys you should be kept in mind. In SketchUp, move means you have to type M key, right? But in Unity, the move key means you have to type W. W means you could move the camera, okay? Move the camera. And Unity is not as well as SketchUp. It uses the 3 axis. If you move this in a 3D way, but it will be not as fast as in SketchUp, okay? Slowly, okay, slowly. And if you type E, means rotation, okay? Rotate your camera, okay? Rotate your camera, okay? Rotate your camera, okay? So see, we have this, okay? See, we have this. And I think the most exciting things here is that we have a system contain everything inside here, okay? Like a third person characters, so that you can find a lot of 3D models in Assay Store. Okay? Assay Store. You can type everything here, and then let me maximize this window, and you could choose everything. Characters ordered by my price. Please give me free. Okay. If you want to spend money, okay, you could do that offline. You could pick up some of the characters. Like previously, somebody choose this strong knight. Okay, strong knight, medieval knight. Okay, but I think when you download, you should take care of this version. Your Unity version should be upgraded to latest version. Okay, so when we install version 5, most of the characters won't be able to import it successfully. Okay, so I think you could do that and try that at home. And Yu-Chieh is very famous. Starting from version 4, it has been okay. So everything has been inside here. Okay. Imported, and I import it, okay, into my package. Okay, import it. Let me switch back to the. You should take size. Okay, you should take care of the size. The larger the size is, the longer time you import it, and the longer time you develop. Okay. I think the smaller is simpler. Okay, smaller is simpler. And after and let me going back to maximize and going back to scene, and you could try scene. Unity use some scenes. Okay, so you could directly load the scene. Okay, the pose test. We don't need to. And let me go into the plane and Unity-Chieh. Okay, Unity-Chieh. When you compile it, Control P, it gives you several. See, facial. The facial emotion will be doing. Okay, you could find at that. Okay, next. Okay, back. No scene change. It only gives you the only one change. Okay, so you could try that at home. Okay, and I'm going to going back to my. I have to renew a scene, so I here create a new scene. Okay, new scene, and you new scene. It's your own scene. Okay, we create this own scene, and still we have to create the object terrain. Okay, terrain, and remember we have doing lots of terrain design here. Okay, like didn't cover by trees. Okay, this is the terrain we have. Okay, and use that to have terrain design. It will give you some of the push and pull, and I think so this gives you some of the and today we want everybody to design we want to put a pool here. Okay, and hold the shift key to smooth it. Okay, to smooth it, and let me give it random. Okay, start by random. Okay, and in the far away I want to create a volcano, so I need a hill and mountain very, very tall. So maybe in here. Okay, like in moto. Moto means in the ring. Okay, the rings. Okay, the moto. Okay, we have the volcano. We want to put the particle system inside here. Okay, so everybody, you can do that. And this is a smoothing. Okay, smoothing. Okay. Make it smoother. Make it smoother. Okay, make it smoother. And I want to create the textures to give it like a rock, like a hill, like a grace. So edit textures. Still, we have to edit individually. Sorry, edit individually. I think my base texture should be painted with grace rock. Okay, this will be painted entirely, and individually I added more and more textures from it. Grace here. Okay, edit, and I want to create into and pen here. Okay, and this I want to put my village here. Okay, village here. Okay, village here. Okay, and going back. Okay, going back. Okay, so I put my village here and make some waters will be put here. So that I have to prepare some entrance to let my characters can be jump into the water. Okay, so put here. And so this is my village here. Okay, village here. And next, you have to add more and more textures, okay? And add more and more textures. It gives you the sand. I think I could find the sand. Here's the sand. Okay, sand. Hate it. So I could use the sand to paint here, okay? And reduce the brush size. Hey teacher, can I import some materials from the web? Yes, of course. If you want to create like grace texture, so that I can find some grace textures. Oh, why the internet is so slow? It's a little bit slow. Okay, so you can find the grace textures here, and pick up one that is not huge. I think this is good. This is good. Very small. So I save image. Save it. Save it. So I put the grace into my textures, so that I have the textures. Still, I could add it directly, okay? Directly. So, and then you could use that to paint like here, okay? Okay, to paint here. So that will be color for your village, okay? Color for your village, okay? Essentially, you just made it, okay? And finally add. I need a mountain textures. What is a good mountain textures is up to you. I have no idea here. So maybe you could choose and upload, download from Google and find some more textures for you. Okay, and to pan this way and to pan here. Okay, to pan here, and I think this should be. Okay, so it's your turn. I wrote the hotkeys on whiteboard, okay? And then later, okay? Later I'm going to check the changes again, okay? Okay. right? Five, four, three, two, one. Okay, switch. Currently, I open the live streaming so that everybody could find. After lecturing, I will post the URL link to Moodle so that everybody could find the entire lecturing of this week. And on the YouTube, okay, I use OBS. Do you know how to do that? Just open a source. Later, I'm going to tell you how we do that. Okay. Okay. Let me reopen the Unity, and I have painted my entire terrain, and this is a hill. Okay, the hill textures so that paint every hilltop here, hilltop, so that you have the snows here. And if you want to create trees, okay, trees, add trees and add trees. There are 1, 2, 3 essential trees that create by Unity itself. We still could download more trees from the Assay store here. So then I download vegetation. And let's going back. So I have imported more and more trees here, and then we could seeding trees. So tree 9. No, do not use that. Okay, add trees. Tree 4. I have done that before. Okay, so several of them, and I'll try to plant trees here. Okay, using smaller brush, and mass place trees. It will randomly generate trees. Okay, generate trees. Okay, number of trees in this. Okay, and I used to place here. Okay, it will randomly generate trees. Okay, it will generate random trees. Okay, 100. So that's not what I'm doing to do. I want to do. Okay, I want to create trees individually. Okay, individually. So I trees here are trees I download from Google. Okay, trees. I want to plant it individually. Plant it individually. Okay, individually. Okay, I want to plant it individually. Every game artist used to do it individual. Okay, individual. Otherwise, it will randomly generate it. It will give you a great hazard for downstream purposes. Like if I want to modify some of the buildings, so sometimes it will. Okay. So those are trees. Okay, those are trees. Okay, after you do the entire group should be the entire items should be grouped into terrain. So I attach everything into terrain. Okay, so terrain includes everything. Okay, anyone else? So we create terrain and put trees here. Okay, and don't forget we have next step. We have to put our SketchUp model into it. Okay, and before we doing everything, you have to make the scale rationality. Make a rationale scalability before you before you allocate into Unity. So I think this is the biggest one biggest one, and this is try to import from the second largest. Okay, second largest. This is my this is the second. Okay, I think it is, yes, it is go, okay, and go here. Okay, we should keep, okay, keep things neat and tight. You should keep things neat and tight, okay? And so that's look a little bit good, okay, here. And next is the buildings, okay? The Chinese old buildings. And rotate it. Even though you could rotate it in Unity, still we have to do that, okay? Move it. Okay, and attach here. You have to compare the door size, okay, the door size. Yes, looks a little bit good, okay, so shrink it, shrink it, shrink it. If you want to make a street like this, okay, if you want to make a street, okay, you could do that by yourself, okay, do that by yourself. And I think I don't want to create the street here, okay, street here, okay, okay, delete it, and finally I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 different component here, items here, and I'm used to compare with the neighbor buildings. Okay, so everything has been done here. Next, I'm trying to I want to modify the stair here. So wait a moment. Explode it and explode it. Explode it. Explode it. Okay. I want to create a new stair here. Instead of this, okay, instead of this. So I try to modify here. And alright, great. And group it. Let me create the push and pull a little bit. Group it. Make a component. Step 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Group it. Scale. And move upwardly here. And move here, okay? Move here, okay? Scale a line to here. We design a very simple one, okay? A very simple one, okay? Line to here. And next step, we want to create a triangle so that, okay, so that we could make an extension here. Okay, make an extension here. Make an extension. Make a group and shrink it down. Shrink it down. Finally, give it a texture. Sorry, we didn't align it. Yes, we have. We have. Okay, make a texture. Give it a texture. Rocks or stone. Okay. Okay, stone here. Make it brighter. I want to make it brighter. Okay, brighter. Okay, and then regroup it so that I could export it. So before I export to Unity, I have to tell you, I want everybody to have a nice folder and organization to your assets, and that means if you have this one, you have to export. For example, export the 3D models. You have to select the object, the target object first, and then desktop. Make a mother folder. SketchUp models. Okay. Colors 1 and FBX. Okay. Give it a subfolder name. Colors. Okay. Colors and options. Export to sided face. Okay. Export to sided face. Okay. And then export. Stop it. Cancel. Sorry, I have to re-export it again to let you ensure that you know. Options and subfolders. Okay. Colors and options. Export current selection. Okay. Export current selection so that you will export only this building instead. Okay. If you didn't, if you uncheck everything, it will export the entire model. Okay, so that's what I don't want to do. Because in Unity, everything will be messed up easily. Okay, going back to previous folder, tempo, and give it a tempo. Okay, this is second. Okay. Successfully, and export third building. Export tempo, then tempo, non-tempo, tempo tower. Okay. And pick up this building, export 3D models, and create 4 folder, 1 building, 1 folder, okay? 1 building, 1 folder, and subtempo. Okay, give it a name, subtempo. Okay, and this store, export. Once your selection will be okay. So we have look at this photo. Everyone, okay, every model has its own name here, okay, palace, and you check this folder, okay, see this, those are his own textures, okay, his own textures, okay. The more ported to Unity, the higher memory usage for Unity, okay. And finally, give it into Unity, into a save store, okay? Into a save store. It will take a huge amount of memory space, okay? So 20 minutes, 30 minutes to finish the entire SketchUp into Unity, okay? Include planting trees, okay?